And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the Bitcoin price has moved in the last week and how the Bitcoin price can move in the next week. See, if you look at this video, what we can see, if you look at this chart, what we can see that the price of Bitcoin was moving in a particular range since 1-2 months. If you look at this chart, we can see from June the price of the Bitcoin was moving in this particular range. Okay, and once this range breaks upside, I suggested you that till the time the price didn't cross a level of 41, the price will move in a particular range. Okay, and then after this range has break upside 41, now we can see it made a high of around 46,719. Okay, so what I want to suggest you, and you can see that the trend is in upside now. Okay, till the time it is above a level of 42,671, we can see that it is an uptrend. If you have any doubt regarding Bitcoin, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Okay, so if we look at this chart, what you can see that if it sustain above a level of 46,878, then we can see that it can go further high to a level of 51429, and from there we can see a level of 56892. Okay, and then further can go high to a level of 59,753, and then we can see a more upside trend in the level of Bitcoin. You can check my previous video where I have told you the upside targets. Suppose if the price goes below a level of 45, okay, then we can see a level of 43,886, and from there we can see a level of 42,326. and now once this level will come, then again the price of Bitcoin will move in this particular range. So then we can see a level of 39 also, and if it's this level didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 36 also. Okay, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 33 also, but with a strong support at 31,000. If it comes below a level of 35, then we can see a level of 31 also. But as of now, I'm looking that the trend is an upside till the time it didn't cross a level of 41, and if it sustain out this level, then we can see more upside. If we talk about Dogecoin, see, if we look at the level of Dogecoin, you can see that the Dogecoin is again in an upper trend. If you look at this trend, we can see it's an uptrend. Okay, suppose if it comes, now it is trading at 0.27. okay, suppose if it goes below this, above this level, then we can see a level of 0.2835, and this level is mostly chances are high there it can go and touch a level of, if sustain this level, then we can see a level of 28.28871, and this level is already tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 0.31301, and from there we can see a level of 0.31046, and from there we can see a level of 0.33366. Suppose if this level sustain, then we can see further upside of Bitcoin and can touch a Dogecoin, then we can see a level of 0.38321, and from there more upside we can see to a level of 0.43. okay, but suppose if this level breaks down, comes to a level 0.27, comes down, then probability is there it can touch a level of 0.2681, and from there we can see a level of 0.25. Suppose if this level didn't sustain, then probability is there it can touch a level of 0.231, and if didn't sustain this level, then we can see a level of 0.2142. okay, and this is the range where it has moved for so long period. So suppose if this come again, if it comes in this particular range, then we can see a level of 0.912 also. okay, if we talk about Ethereum, what we can see is that the Ethereum is moving on the upside if we look at this trend, but what we can see, a level, a support is at around 2904. This is a strong resist support. okay, and suppose if the price of now trading at around 3238, and if the price goes above this level, then we can see a level of 3283, and the price sustain above the side, then we can see a level of 3531. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, then it can touch a probability is there it can touch a level of 3610, and from there we can see a level of 3874, and then there is near it will come near to its high, and there is a high probability that if it comes close to 4161, and this level is already tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of all time of around 4341. Suppose if the price goes below a level of 3241, then chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 3182, and from there there is a probability that it can touch a level of 3047. Suppose if this level goes below this level, then chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 2975, and then from there we can see a level of 2867. And see, this is the range which is a strong support. Suppose if this goes below this level, then we can see that the price again will move in this particular range itself. Okay, so I would suggest that once this is the level, if it cross downside, then we can see people can book profit. See, if we talk about Litecoin, what we can see that this range is break, and this is moving from 23rd of June. Okay, now the trend have changed, and this resistance point have crossed upside, and this range has moved. So what we can see that suppose now the price is moving around 181.200, so chances will be very high, and this level is already tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 192. Okay, after crossing level of this, probability is there it can touch a level of 185, and from there we can see a level of 192, and once 192 is touched, then there is a probability that it can touch a level of 197.7, and if sustain this level, then we can see a level of 204, and from there we can see a level of 209. Okay, and if this sustain this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 245 also, and from there we can see a level of 283, which is already tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 300. Okay, but if we look at this trend, what we can see, suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 170 also, and then from there if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 160, and suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then probability is there it can touch a level of 148, and then we can see it will move in this particular range itself. So hope you like the video of crypto, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.